In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Notion homepage aesthetic. We'll start by setting a visual theme because consistency is what makes a page feel polished. Open the three-dot menu in the top right of your page and choose the font that fits your vibe: default, serif, or mono. While you are there, toggle full width to let your content breathe across the screen for a cleaner, more modern layout. Next, choose a color palette and stick to it. Grab hex codes from sites like Coolers or Color Hunt to match a mood: pastel, dark academia, or minimalist, and reuse those colors for text accents and backgrounds. Keep contrast readable so headings, links, and callouts are easy on the eyes. Now, make a strong first impression with custom icons and covers. Click Add Cover and pick a high-quality image. Ideally 500 pixels wide or more, so it looks crisp on large displays. You can search Unsplash right inside Notion or upload a subtle animated GIF for a lively header. If you use motion, keep it gentle so it doesn't distract. Replace standard emojis with custom icons from sources like Simple Notion Icons or Flaticon for a more professional look. Choose a single icon style: line, glyph, or duotone. And keep colors consistent so your pages feel unified. With visuals set, organize your content using columns and callouts. Clutter kills aesthetics, so use spacing to create clear zones. To add columns, drag a block to the far right of another until you see a blue vertical line, then drop it. A narrow left column works well for a side menu, while your main content lives on the right. Use headings to label sections. For emphasis, type /callout to create colored boxes that separate areas like daily tasks and quick links. Match callout colors to your palette. For databases or subpages, try Gallery View by typing /gallery. Visual cards with cover images are more inviting than plain lists, and you can choose which properties show on each card. Finally, add functional widgets to blend utility with style. Embed a clock, weather, or habit tracker from Indify or Widget Box by pasting the link as an embed block. And set minimalist styles that align with your colors. Place widgets in a narrow column or a callout to keep the layout tidy. For a personal touch, use the quote block or upload a simple image of a favorite quote. That's it: theme, icons and covers, organized layout, and purposeful widgets. Tweak, revisit, and refine until it feels like you. Thanks for watching.